Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1965 Malibu SS. It's a real 138 SS. I got Paul here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Paul?
How you doing?
Oh, what a pretty car.
It's a 65, it has
Okay.
a rebuilt motor.
Okay, how many miles on the motor?
Motor and transmission is done within 5,000 miles.
Okay, cool.
New front end, new brakes, new exhaust. Good riding family car.
Mm-hmm.
It's something that would really stand out. You're proud to drive it. It's a smooth riding car.
Okay. Real nice
Has
paint.
new interior, new headliner.
Okay.
Stereos in the glove compartment.
Nice straight body, jeez. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
You didn't even get in the car, by the way. So we got a 283 under the hood. Turbo 350 trans.
Powerglide.
Oh, it's a Powerglide. Okay.
Powerglide.
Looks pretty stock under here.
Bone stock.
Man, runs great. Such a nice, honest car, you know?
It is.
Electronic ignition, Mallory wires, single two-barrel under there. Cool. Power steering,
Power steering.
nice big radiator.
Yeah, runs very cool.
Cool. Got a nice sound to it. You got Flowmasters on there?
No, they're not. They're, I think, thrush.
Oh, turbo thrust.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm trying to remember what I'm into.
All new door panels. Seats were just done. Brand new carpet. Center console. Added gauges. I tell you, beautiful shape. Great car for the money. Real nice rubbers and felts in the doors. See, it's a 138. Very good indicator that it is an SS. Real nice felts in the doors. Man, these buckets look brand new, huh?
Yeah, they were done. The headliner was new headliner in it.
Okay. Looks like you got an LED light in there
Back
too.
Seats.
Brand new carpet. Showing 6,638 miles. So it's probably 106,000 original miles on this car.
Has a remote. Oh wait, no, this one don't have it. It's the other car. Sorry.
Too many cars, Paul.
I got too many cars. It's the other car. Shit.
So he's got a vintage sound system with aux in and
Yeah,
everything.
that's all it is. Yeah, factory dash.
Man, I like that tack in the dash. That's pretty cool. Pretty neat.
Yes. It's all the, it's cool.
Really
Factory
cool.
dash is what tack is
Very cool.
a major option in these days.
Yep. Very nice. Sitting on Rallye 2s. Nice car. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks for showing us your car, Paul. It's beautiful.
Okay, thank you.